Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Vibes. I'm Emma, your English teaching coach.
And I'm John.
If you want to learn English in a simple and fun way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Today's video is very useful. We're talking about present simple, past simple, and future simple, the three basic tenses you need every day.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll explain everything with easy examples.
All right, let's start.
We use present simple to talk about things we do every day, always, or usually.
The structure is very easy. Subject plus verb, base form. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
Let's give more examples.
I go to work. You like tea. We study English. She works in an office.
And don't forget, with he, she, it, we add s to the verb. He plays football. She reads books. John, what do you do every morning?
I drink coffee. What about you?
I read the news on my phone.
See? That's present simple, habits and routines.
Now let's talk about past simple. We use it for actions that happened yesterday, last week, last year, or any time in the past.
Structure, subject plus verb, past form. Example, I watched a movie yesterday.
More examples. I visited my friend. She cooked dinner. They played games. We walked in the park.
Many verbs are regular, like played, cleaned, watched. But some verbs are irregular, like go, went, eat, ate, see, saw.
John, what did you do last weekend?
I went to a cafe and read a book. You?
I watched a movie at home. It was fun. Future simple is used for plans, predictions, or promises.
Structure, subject plus will plus verb, base form. Example, I will study tonight.
More examples. She will call you later. They will travel next month. We will make a video tomorrow.
Emma, what will you do after this video?
I will eat lunch. I'm hungry.
Nice plan. I will edit on next video.
Let's compare the three tenses using one sentence.
Good idea. Here we go. Present simple. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. every day. Past simple. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday. In the past. Future simple. I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. In the future.
See how easy it is?
Yes, the verb changes depending on the time.
Let's practice. Repeat after us.
Present. I study English every day.
Past. I studied English yesterday.
Future. I will study English tomorrow.
Another one. Present. She works in a school. Past. She worked in a school last year.
Future. She will work in a school next year. Let's review the key points. Present simple. For daily routines. I play, you play, she plays.
Past simple. For past actions. I watched. She cooked. They went.
Future simple. For future plans. I will go. She will study.
Simple and useful. That's it for today's lesson.
We hope now it's easier for you to use present, past, and future simple.
Tell us in the comments. Make one sentence in each tense. Example, I study, I studied, I will study.
We'll read your comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.
See you in the next video.